because logic is just a way of getting things done. I mean, anytime people are doing anything and they're successful at doing it, there's a logical way of doing this.
Yes,
Otherwise, it wouldn't even exist, whatever's being done. So people use logic to get anything done if it's going to get done. And if the proof of it, of whatever it was that is done, is that it got done through a logical process.
Mm-hmm.
Now, these logical processes can be divided into one of two areas, and that is constructive and non-constructive.
Yes.
Everything that people do and everything that people say is going to have a constructive effect or a non-constructive effect. And they use logic to achieve this.
Yes.
The white supremacists do a lot of things that are very constructive as far as things are concerned. They obviously, because they believe in mistreating people based on color,
Mm-hmm.
that is not logical as far as being correct is concerned. So you get an incorrect result. When you mistreat people or mistreat people for any reason,
Mm-hmm.
and the reason that they use is that they point to people and say, you are the wrong color.
The wrong color.
Yes, it's something, you shouldn't be that color. And But since you are, I'm bound to have to mistreat you because for some reason, I mean, you appeared on this planet, you appeared in this universe, but you came before my eyes, and I noticed that you were the wrong color. And so what do I do about a person who appears before me and that person is the wrong color? The only thing I can think about doing is start figuring out a way to mistreat them because they're the wrong color, and they should be mistreated based on being the wrong color.